motion and manipulation. So we will go deep into it. And so AI is heavily used in robotics, advanced robotics, arms, industrial robotics, widely used in modern factories, and can learn from experience how to move efficiently despite of presence of frictions and gear slippage. Okay, it is like in motion and manipulation it is used. A modern mobile robot, when given a small static visible environment, can easily determine its location, map its environment. However, dynamic environments such as in endoscopy, the interior of patients, breathing, body pose just as challenge. So there are challenges also, but it is also useful in a lot of heavy duty job, like at ports and other industrial heavy job and cleaning and other things. There uh, we are using these robots and all, so it is being used. Okay.